Cody?
Hey.
Oh, what the fuck? Oh, what the freak's going on, guys? Look at them freaking guys over there. So, you guys seen testing last weekend? We had a little love tap with the wall. You know what I'm saying? So, we bent a few things. We fixed a few things. Bent a few things, fixed a few things.
Thank you, UPR.
So now we're here to test. Do a little no prep stuff. We got the car all set up for no prep. So, ooh, look. Hey, Ron.
What up? What up?
Right, that's good. We got Dad and Uncle Aaron. Wait, Dad and Uncle Aaron, yeah. So we'll see what happens. We're gonna make a couple hits, get ready. We decided we were gonna try to go to last man standing, but with all the BS we've had to do with the car, with all the BS we've had to do with the car and all the extra money we've had to put into it lately, it kind of killed my travel fund. So there's a little no prep race here around the corner in Nakona, Indian Valley Raceway. We're gonna test right now and see what happens. We'll try to go to that tomorrow. That wasn't too bad. Where are you going, Gonzo? Anyway, that wasn't too bad. We'll turn it up a little bit, and I think will be a good starting point for the surface we're racing on. So we will see. I mean, it is out here. It's crappy, and these guys had me start in the water when I took off, but it still went. So it'll be all right. We'll see what happens this time. Oh yeah, how'd you freaking like that, guys? You freaking go to the special alignment shop all the ways in freaking Dallas, drive 2 hours over there, 2 hours back, go get the freaking race charger while you're down there at the summit, come back over to the freaking alignment shop, do the alignment, get all that stuff ready, test right there in front of the alignment shop, come over here, freaking do a bunch of stuff, get it ready for no prep racing, come out here to freaking test and do all this cool stuff right after you just got done racing at small tire gangsters and you put a whole brand new freaking transmission in there and a whole brand new gosh dang converter in there and you come out here and you freaking test and you get 5 passes and guess what? I did all that shit today and my freaking tranny broke on my first test pass. Freaking race cars! Well, as you can see, we're not off the struggle bus like we thought we were. So, obviously, Tran's still having some goofy issues. So, we pulled it out the other day, brought it back down to Freak Show. We went through it again. All new, brand new components this time. The only thing that's the original is the case. He went through the converter again for me. I put brand new PTFE lines like you guys saw. Put in a brand new trans cooler just for peace of mind. I got a new dipstick. I got a new shifter cable. I checked all the shifter adjustment, everything last time. Everything seemed great, but I'm still having some kind of goofy issue, and that trans is just getting hot, and then it's just kind of, I don't know what's going on. So we're going to replace every freaking aspect of the transmission and the transmission cooling. We're going to throw them bad boys back in right there, and we're going to go testing. Oh, yeah! I've got the trans and all the goodies back in. We're going to see if we can make it happen. We're going to hopefully got the freaking issue out of this dang thing. So we're going to bring it back in, scale it, get it set up, throw her in a box there, go see what she does. Alrighty, we're out here at Wichita Raceway Park, little test and tune action. We got some freaking rubbers for sale. We got some new rubbers and the used rubbers. Used rubbers? That's the only time I said a used rubber is acceptable, boys, okay? Otherwise, you want to shoot for new rubber every other time, you know? So, anyway, we're here. Let's see what happens today. Getting a little bit more front end ride height out of the old grill right now, so. Yeah, boys, sitting nice and low. Like when I go to the bathroom and my freaking, hits that water.
That's true.
the trailer, kind of soft. We went a personal best. That's the fastest we've ever been in the car.
Bro, awesome.
Go! Fucking hell yeah. Track, he had the prep on point right there. Oh man, I'm on freaking cloud 9 right now. We're good. I think we might be bad.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Wife's gonna go get the laptop. I'm gonna look at the data, and I still have plenty of room to turn it up, so we'll see what happens. Freaking dad told me to pass on order. Jumping small tire here. We're gonna draw chips. Couple. Means you got to buy. Means you're bi. Sexually frustrated.
Who's ones and who's twos? One left. Oh shit! Dad and son going at it. He's gonna use an extra small back here.
Hey, go easy on me, Luke. God damn it. Well, first on small tire, I got a little cocky. We hit a number off the trailer, which really surprised me, so I kind of looked at the data and saw that we had a significant room for improvement, so I tried to chip away at that, and I took a bigger swing at it than normal. I see no freaking like it, man. We knocked the tire off pretty bad, so we're out of small tire, but I'm gonna kind of tame it down a little bit, kind of see if we can kind of get down through there again and repeat that first number. So. Oh, would you freaking look at that? Just look at this. Put the tune right back where it was on the first pass, and it repeated. Same number, A to B, right down through there. Man, I wish I would have done that in a small tire thing, but it is what it is. And we may go street racing tonight, we may not. We'll check back with you guys if we do, kind of read some data, check everything over, check our finances and stuff, and see what's up. So I think we got the problems out of it. We won a personal best 2 times in a row. A to B, tranny's good, tranny's happy, so hell yeah. I think we decided to go street racing, so we're gonna put it all in street race form. We got the front end back up. We got, I don't know what all that cheaties over there, but we're gonna put it back to the street style. What the hell you got going on under that? Secret squirrel stuff? Alrighty, here we are. Undisclosed location of Mexico for a driver's meeting. We got a couple trailers here. We literally about to pop our cherry for some street action here in DFW. So stay tuned. We'll see who we get in the driver's meeting. I'm excited. Chip draw. We'll see what happens. See who we get. It don't matter.
We always had those gold wheels on there.
They've been on there for a little while.
The road.
Concrete. Oh, too bad. Well, Dallas street race did not go as planned. We drove a couple hours, hung out for a couple hours, drove a couple hours home. There was an unfortunate incident, and we were not able to, you know, move on past first round. So anyway, we do really appreciate you guys. You know, us being a smaller channel trying to grow, and man, it's amazing the support that we get. You guys buying our shirts and everything like that. You guys seeing me out, saying hi and everything. As always, thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and share.